Hello everyone, welcome to English with Uma. Do you ever feel like fluency in English is something that takes years and years, and you just want a quick way to start speaking smoothly without so much struggle? Like, you know words and grammar, but putting it all together fast still feels impossible? If you're nodding your head right now, this episode is exactly for you. Today, we are going to talk about something exciting, something that can truly boost your confidence fast. We are talking about Fluent English in 7 days, how to make massive progress towards speaking more fluently with focused, smart practice in just 1 week. My friend, let me be honest with you. True, full fluency, like native level ease, takes time. Months or even years of consistent use, but huge improvements in confidence, speed, and natural flow? Absolutely possible in 7 days with the right intense focus. It's not magic, it's not tricks, it's dedicated daily effort on speaking, listening, and thinking in English. Because when you stop hesitating and start flowing, conversations change everything. Think about it. You can learn rules and forget them. You can memorize words and still pause. But 7 days of smart, active practice, it rewires your brain, makes phrases automatic, and builds real momentum. You cannot wait forever for perfect level. You cannot delay speaking until ready. Every day without focused practice is a missed chance to get closer to fluent feeling. Now, I am not trying to scare you, I promise. I just want you to understand something important. Your path to fluent English is made of daily choices. Every single day is like a little gift wrapped in 24 hours of practice time. What you do with those hours, that is what your speaking becomes. If you waste those hours on passive watching or random apps without real output, that do not push your mouth and mind, that do not force you to speak, then, my friend, you are not just wasting time, you are wasting your chance to break through fast. But here's the good news. You can change this starting right now, today, this very moment, and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to share some simple, powerful ideas that helped me and thousands of other learners see real jumps in fluency in short time, like 1 focused week. These are not impossible promises. These are real tools you can use immediately for noticeable progress. Before we dive in, let me tell you a quick story. A few months ago, I had a student named Sarah. She came to me feeling stuck. She said, "I want to speak English fluently so badly, but I always hesitate and feel slow." I asked her, "Sarah, what did you do yesterday for speaking practice?" She thought for a moment and said, "Well, I watched some videos, but I didn't talk out loud." Before I knew it, the day ended. I asked her, "So how much real speaking did you do?" She looked down and said quietly, "Maybe none." Then I asked, "Did just watching make you feel more fluent? Did words come easier?" She shook her head. "No," she said, "I just felt more frustrated." My friend, this is not just Sarah's story. This is the story of millions of people around the world. We tell ourselves we're too busy or not ready, but the truth is we're too passive. We have time, we just give it away to input only, no output. Scrolling and scrolling with no real speaking. So what can we do? How can we push toward fluent English in just 7 days? Let me share 5 powerful ideas with you, 5 simple shifts that can create big change in 1 week. First, start treating speaking like your top priority every day. Imagine fluency is a muscle. Would you train it once a month? Of course not. Train it daily, intensely. For these 7 days, commit to at least 1 to 2 hours of active speaking practice. Out loud, no excuses. Before you do anything else, ask yourself, am I speaking today? Will this build my flow? I started this intense focus years ago and saw my hesitation drop fast. Now, when I commit to a week of heavy speaking, my confidence skyrockets. That small decision changes everything. Second idea, create tiny pockets of forced output all day. You do not need perfect hours to improve fast. Small, consistent speaking bursts are much more powerful than rare, long sessions. Think about water dropping on a stone. One drop does nothing, but drops every hour carve progress. Your daily speaking is like those drops. Let me give you an example. Morning, 10 minutes, describe your day out loud while getting ready. Commute or walk, 15 minutes, narrate what you see, shadow a podcast speaker. Lunch break, 10 minutes, record yourself answering "tell me about yourself" or daily questions. Afternoon, 15 minutes, talk to yourself about plans or past events. Evening, 20 minutes, role-play conversations or repeat phrases fast. Before bed, 10 minutes, review recordings, fix mistakes. In total, that's about 80 minutes, but every day for 7 days, that's over 9 hours of pure speaking practice. 9 hours. The secret is this: stop waiting for perfect mood or partner. Perfect never comes. Use every small moment to speak. They add up to real fluency gains. Third idea, learn to say no to input-only habits. What is a bad habit? Anything that takes your time without forcing output. For most people, the biggest thief is endless watching or reading without speaking after. Now, I'm not saying input is bad. Listening and reading are great, but they become terrible if no speaking follows. Many apps and videos keep you consuming forever. Protect yourself. Here's what I do. For these 7 days, after every video or podcast, pause and repeat sentences out loud, shadow or summarize in your words. Put phone on Do Not Disturb during speaking time. Check messages at set times. Another thief is waiting for a partner. If no one is there, talk to mirror, record voice notes, or use AI chat apps to practice. Saying no to passive habits is not strict. It's focused. It protects your 7-day breakthrough. Fourth idea, make practice active, fun, and intense, not boring. This might sound strange for fast fluency, but listen carefully. Boring practice makes you quit. Intense, varied, enjoyable speaking keeps you going and builds speed. Imagine your mouth like a muscle. Same slow talk every day stays slow. Mix it up. Day 1 to 2, focus on shadow speaking fast audio. Day 3 to 4, answer rapid questions, record and compare. Day 5 to 6, role-play real situations, job interview, daily chat. Day 7, free talk on any topic for 30 minutes non-stop. Use tongue twisters for pronunciation, speak with emotion, time yourself to speak faster. Some of the best jumps come when you're laughing or challenging yourself, because when you're always slow or scared, your brain stays hesitant. Fun intensity makes fluency feel natural. Enjoyment is not wasting time, it's smart acceleration. Fifth, connect your 7-day challenge to your bigger dreams. This is so important. When you know why you're pushing hard this week, it's easier to stay committed. Let me ask you something. Why do you want fluent English? Really? Why? Is it to ace a job interview? To travel and make friends easily? To enjoy movies and talks without effort? To feel confident with family or colleagues? Whatever your reason is, write it down big. Put it on your wall or phone wallpaper, because on tired days when you want to skip speaking, that reason reminds you. It gives strength. I know a young man who did a 7-day intense speaking challenge so he could propose to his girlfriend in English confidently. Every time lazy, he thought, I want her to understand my heart fully. That kept him going. Now they talk freely every day. Your reason doesn't have to be dramatic, just real and meaningful to you. When 7 days of practice connects to big goals, suddenly the effort doesn't feel hard. It feels purposeful, and that changes everything. Now, my friend, I want to be very clear about something. I'm not telling you full native fluency comes in 7 days. I'm not saying stop after 1 week. This is about kickstarting massive progress. It's about being intentional for 7 days to build habits that last. It's about asking yourself, is this activity pushing my speaking today? Is this bringing me closer to fluent flow? Sometimes, yes, do it fully. Sometimes, no, switch to output. The goal is not perfection in 1 week. The goal is momentum. If you spoke hesitantly on day 1 but smoother on day 7, that's huge progress. Celebrate it. Be kind to yourself. Fluency builds over time, but breakthroughs happen fast with focus. Let me share one more story before we finish. There was a wise teacher who said, imagine every morning you get 86,400 seconds of practice time, but unused ones vanish at midnight. What would you do? Use them wisely. You have that every day, every morning, 86,400 seconds. Unused speaking practice disappears forever. My friend, this is your fluency journey. These 7 days are a special gift to invest heavily. What will you do? Waste on passive habits or invest in speaking more fluently? I believe you can choose wisely. It starts with 1 committed day, then another. Day by day, speak by speak, you build the flow you want. So here is my challenge for you today. Choose one thing, just one. Maybe commit to the full 7-day speaking plan starting now. Maybe speak out loud for 30 minutes daily, no matter what. Maybe record yourself every evening and review. Maybe find an app or mirror to practice conversations. Pick one and commit for 7 days. You can do anything for 7 days. Then come back and tell me how it went. Did words come faster? Did you feel less stuck? Did confidence grow? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else who's dreaming of fluency. We are all in this together, practicing, stumbling, improving, trying again. Remember, you are not wasting your time by listening to this. You are investing in your voice. You are taking a step toward fluent English. That is brave. That is smart. That is something to be proud of. Your fluency is building right now. Not in years, not when perfect. Right now. These moments, these days are your breakthrough. Do not let them slip away. Do not wake up wishing you had pushed this week. You have everything inside you. The courage, the ability, the determination. All you need is the decision. Decide fluency matters. Decide speaking matters. Decide you matter. And if you ever feel tired, remember, every fluent speaker once hesitated a lot. Every confident talker once struggled. The difference? They practiced hard, even in short bursts, 1 week at a time, 1 day at a time. You can be that person too. I believe in you. Even if we have never met, I believe in you because I have seen it hundreds of times. Ordinary people making incredible speaking jumps just by focusing intensely for a short time. So take a deep breath, smile, be grateful for this moment, and then go speak. Do not waste it. Use it, invest it, turn it into fluent English. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Thank you for caring about your growth. Thank you for being here. I am so proud of you. Keep going, my friend. Your future self will thank you. Until next time, practice speaking wisely, be kind to yourself, and never forget, every moment is a chance to sound more fluent. You got this. I will see you in the next story. Take care.